Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you for joining me. My name's Alison. Today's video I'm going to be tidying up the girls' room and decluttering it. As all these clothes appear to be all over the floor for some reason, I'm also going to sort through their wardrobe, get rid of whatever's too small and what does not look acceptable to wear anymore. So let's get started. If you haven't already guys, then please subscribe. I do more cleaning videos. I'll link them down in the description box for you, so then you can go over and have a look at them. Thank you. I'm just going to start off by making a pile of clothing and then sorting out the ones that I am going to throw, and also the ones that are too small I'm putting aside for my friend's daughter, as I'd rather give them away than have to throw them. One of the things I noticed during this video is one of my daughters loves to pack everything away in bags. I found several bags packed with loads of different clothing and toys, so I don't know why she has to pack it all away. I've now removed the bags from the room to prevent this from happening, as too many clothes keep on coming out of the wardrobe. of the situation that we're all going through right now, obviously charity shops wouldn't have been taking any of the toys in. So for now, I'm going to store all toys that are unwanted or the girls have grown out of downstairs in the back room, and then some of them I'll put aside for Lee to have, so nothing's getting thrown out if there's nothing wrong with it. We're slowly getting there. I've got to make the girls' beds again. Obviously I've stripped them to wash their bed in today, so I'm going to do that. So I just clear up the floor. I need to get behind the bed because there's loads of stuff down there. These 2 toy boxes need sorting out. That toy box has been sorted, and then I've got all these clothes to put away. Look at the state of that. So as there's so much clothes being shoved out on the floor, for what reason I do not know, I'm going to take all the other clothes out and just have a good look through. Some stuff I put in a pile aside for my friend's little girl. Some stuff's just thrown because it's just very worn now. So, yeah, I'm going to sort all their clothes out. You know, when you just wish you didn't start something. Well, it needed to be honest. It just looks awful in here, but you can actually see some floor now. It needs hoovering, but we can see some floor. So yeah, let's just crack on.